go, man. There's a crab in there. She's trying to get the crab to bite the stick. She's gonna try to pull out the crab. I tried a little bit. Oh, there it went. There it is. Oh, it is pretty big. Oh, there it goes. It was pretty big. Right. Oh my gosh. Angela's looking for little things to make a meal out of. So what have you found so far? A little handful of things.
This one.
So some little shells, and she might take it apart and cook it. We'll find out. So here's where we're at. And we're gonna probably stay here for 2-3 nights. It's like 10 kilometer distance up here.
Gonna eat you.
I'll listen to her. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to find it again. She's determined, man. She's gonna find that thing. There it is, there it is, there it is. Straight up. It's went to the other rock. To that other rock. She's hell bent on getting a crab out of here, you guys. There's a little crab in there she's trying to stab so she can get out of there. How many girls will do that? Sit there and look for, she calls it treasures. She's looking for some treasures of the sea. She's trying to find us some little things to eat. She's teaching me a few things here. Don't hurt yourself on that rock, it's pretty heavy. Careful. So what do we do in our free time?
Yes.
Wait, get the tongue. Ready? Here we go.
Oh my god.
Didn't get it.
I get that one 3 times. Because you can't spell my hand.
Oh, I can't, right. Here we go.
Your boy.
South, that would be kind of easy to make, actually. Shelter like that, out of fiberglass. People on the bay today. Goofing off. Out with the oyster hunter here at night. And we're out at Tambobo Bay. She found a couple here. Set them on the rock. She found one here. I don't know how she can see this stuff at night, but pretty cool. Oh, she's collecting at night. She's a hunter, man. She's a real hunter. So the sun's going down in Tambobo Bay. Gotta love it. She's night hunting. We got her with the flashlight here. She's hunting the water at night. She's into this, man. She is so into this. She's trying to find some oysters or anything that is edible. It's in the water. So with her, I would never starve. She'd always find something to eat. Just like the way she grew up, having to find things to eat every once in a while. So really cool. I really like that she is enjoying this and having fun. She calls it her treasures. She's looking for her treasures. Here's all the things she's found so far. Oysters and crabs. Look at this whole thing. It's all moving, man. It's all stuff that she pulled out all by herself. Look, she's gonna boil this stuff up. It's all moving, man. Look at all your treasures. Look at it all. Wow. It's all moving. Look at the whole thing's moving. Nice to see somebody with some passion that likes to do some stuff like this. So I think it's pretty cool. I do think it's pretty cool. Most girls, they would not be into this, but I got a good one. So yeah, pretty cool, you guys. So look at the fresh oysters she found here. So we're gonna wash them, give them a little bit of a rinse. And then they're gonna get a little bit of vinegar. And it's a special vinegar. It is
Pinakurat.
Pinkarat.
Pinakurat.
Pinakarat, she says. Sao Sawan Ang Bayan. I don't know what that is, but it's a pretty strong vinegar, actually. So let's see. We should just drop a little bit of it on there. Okay. Just gonna add a little vinegar. All right, you guys. Bon appetit. All right, guys, we're gonna try it. So this is fresh oysters from Tambobo Bay with vinegar. Here we go. That vinegar's strong. Wow. That vinegar's strong and spicy, my gosh. Wow. That's almost too strong for me, you guys.
It's good.
Wow. There she goes. Because you don't taste the oyster as much as the vinegar. The vinegar is just almost too powerful for it. She loves this spicy stuff, man. She'll go for it. Yeah. She drank this stuff.
Want more?
I'll try one without the vinegar. Is it washed? Did you rinse it?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna try another Tambobo Bay oyster, this time without the vinegar. Not so light. My camera woman's kind of goofing up.
How is it? Good?
It's good. It almost has its own flavor. It's almost feels like it's spicy on its own. But yet,
because it's hot.
oh, on the spoon. Okay, I was like, why does this taste kind of spicy even without the? So the spoon had some vinegar on it. But
Yeah.
these oysters are pretty darn good. They're pretty tasty. The one I had before was a little bit sweet. So good job. So to find the oysters, look at night because they'll open up and you can kind of see the glint of the shell on the inside. And go ahead and just pry them off.
It's hard to find in the morning.
Yeah, it is hard to find in the morning because they close up and you can't really distinguish what's an oyster and what's a rock. So super job, Angela. Thank you. Thank you. So Angela's surveying her treasures here. How do you like it? Do you like it? Got a lot of treasure in there. She's looking at her shells. She's got some cool shells. And then she's got other things that she's going to boil up for some food tomorrow. So I'm excited. She did real well. So I'm curious what she's going to make with all this. You'll have to stay tuned.
It's expensive, this one in the market.
The shell or what?
Yeah, like this or this one.
Oh, it is. Okay. What do you think of Tambobo Bay so far? You like it here?
Yes.
Yeah. What's your favorite part?
Free food.
Free food. There you go. Free treasures, huh?
Yeah, you go in the sea and get shells.
Ah, you got a lot of shells, don't you? I'll show them your shells afterwards. She picked a lot of shells, man.
Later.
Ah, there you go. Angela just cooked the sea creatures up here. Now you're gonna have to take like a toothpick or a pin and pull out the insides. Oh, that come out pretty fast. So eat the whole thing or what? Eat the whole thing or what? Oh, you try it. You eat it first.
You!
Ah.
I always eat this one.
Ah. Tastes like sand. A lot like sand. Don't grit your teeth with it. You want to spat on your teeth. I think this takes a lot of time, you guys, to get the meat out of these little shells. Look at a little bit of meat she's got there. You can do it if you're hungry. If you're starving, or you just love to search for a little bit of meat. There you go. Digging for gold. It's the meat that came out of those shells, and I'm just gonna fry that in some oil. And then we rinsed it like 3 times to get all the sand out of it, so it wouldn't be so sandy. So if you need a protein, you can get protein, you guys, from the ocean. And she's gonna make carbonara.
Oh, they're jumping.
They're alive. They're coming to get you. They're protesting. So these are all the shells that we did. We still had a few we were gonna do, and these small ones were just too much work. But she wanted to use the shells for things, so she's got a lot of shells now. All right, we're gonna eat our meal, you guys. It's tuna carbonara with Shellfish surprise. Thank you, Chef Angela. Good job.
You're welcome.
Here we go. Let's eat. Bon appetit. So we're headed to Lake Balanan.
Yeah, Banana Lake.
And this is the fine road that we're up against, you guys. This is not a good road. Angela's pulling it in now. I was pulling it in. I was helping her. Now I stopped. It's really heavy to pull this in, but we got to try to pull this in so we could take it over to the other side. I'll show you what I see now. Got this view deck, but I don't know how good a shape it is. I don't know. The floor don't look too good. Let's go up here. Let's see what this is about. Yeah, be careful up here. See? I don't know. I don't think I need to go any farther.
Hey, Vern.